Hello, my name is Radoslav. We are at a ViDiS booth or Avtek booth, and I would like to show on ISE 2020. I would like to show you Avtek TouchScreen 5 ConnectPlus 75. It means that it has a 75-inch diagonal. It's an interactive screen with some really smooth touch, optical bonding, Android operating system. Our main points are that it's really reliable and it's working really fast. It has some very intuitive features for taking notes and then exporting them to the annotation app. We have some wireless connection. Like you see, you can do it pretty intuitively. We have some wireless connection. You can install any app you want. So it's great for education, it's great for business. You can install Dropbox to share your notes or files or presentations after the meetings. You can browse internet. Yeah. If you're interested, please visit avtek.com or avtek.eu.